Hello everyone, this is M. Soundarajan, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Muthayamal Engineering College, Namakkal. Today I am going to give small lecture about CAD standards, which is belongs to CAD subject of 5th unit. Generally, CAD standards are the set of guidelines for the computer-aided design, which are used to improve the productivity and interchange of CAD documents between different offices and CAD programs, especially in architecture and engineering. Why CAD standard is important in structural engineering and practice? Sharing data of CAD drawings in a digital format between two different parties. The parties may be a different system or device. It helps to simplify the quality control process, and it will make the uniformity throughout the world. It will standardize the layers, and consistent data appearance saves the time, consequently save the business money. Need of standard in computer graphics. The probability of geometric model among different hardware platforms is essential. Exchange drawing database among software packages is very important. Need for exchanging graphics data between different computer system. The requirement of graphics data exchange formats and their details such as IGES, DXF and STEP method. IGES, DXF, STEP are the different format method which is used in CAD. These are some graphics standards, which is GKS, Core, GKS 3D, IGES, DXF, STEP, DMIS, VDI, VDM, GKSM, NAPL, PS. These are some methods which is used in graphic standards. There are some 4 basic types of modeling data used in product description or design, which are shape data, which contains information of both geometrical and topographical information along with the surface features. Non-shape data, which contains shade images and model global data. Design data, manufacturing data. These are the basic design requirements of component, which are the basic 4 types of modeling data which is used in CAD. By using this data only, we can design a new product or new component using a software. These are the basic common modeling data. Requirements for the data exchange. While we sharing the data from one system to another system, we need some basic data of the detailed product, which is shape data. First one, shape data, both geometric and topographical information. Part or form features like font, color are considered of the geometric informations. Non-shape data, which is not belongs to the shape of which is not belongs to the shape of the data. This non-shape data, which means the image may be a shaded or measuring it may be a measuring unit or storing area, numerical values may be. These are the non-shape data. And then design data information, it contains that generate the geometric models for analysis purpose, mass property and finite element. Mesh data belongs to the this type of data are called as design data. And then finally manufacturing data, information looking on numerical control tool paths, tolerancing, process planning, tool design and the bill of materials. Classification of CAD standards. Basically there are 3 basic types. One is graphics and computer graphics, GKS, OpenGL. Second one is data exchange standards, Third one is communication standards. Graphic standards. Graphic standards is focus on that application of program should be a device independent and should interference to the any input device handler to any graphics display through a driver. The graphic system is divided into two parts. One is kernel system, which is a hardware and independent. The second one is device handler, maybe a driver, which is naturally hardware or dependent. There are in the graphic system there are two, uh, two part. One is kernel system, which is hardware. Also, it is independent. Second one is the driver, which is naturally hardware but dependent. It is based on the driver's command it will work on. Next one is kernel system act as a buffer between application and the specific hardware to ensure the independent probability of the program. Next one is graphics kernel system, which may be called as GKS. GKS is basically a set of procedure which can be called by user programs to carry out the generalized functions such as arc, circle, ellipse, etc., which may be any command by the handler. It is a standardized system of graphical functions for processing signal data to create the process of 2D images. This is the flow chart of graphic standard. First one is without a graphic standard system. Second one is a graphic standard system. The application first one contains there is in first one there is no kernel system. There is not a kernel system. Second one having a kernel system, which is contains the handler and or no handler or driver. Handler means or the who using the software, that person will called as handler or driver. Features of GKS: it is an independent device. It can work with all type of input and output devices. All text can be prepared and stored in a natural languages. Graphics functions are defined for both 2D and 3D. GKS defines an international coordinate system called Normalized Device Coordinate System. The classification of GKS: there are 8 functions. One is first one is a control functions, output attributes, output primitives, segment functions, transformations, input functions, metafile functions, inquiry functions. Examples of GKS are the polyline, polymarker, text, fill area. These are the GKS systems based some examples. In GKS inquiry functions, the functions are used to find the current status of any variable in GKS, and it mainly used to isolate the predefined values of variables if anything is required. It may be a transformation and clippings. A transformation means image is converted into one form into the another one form. For example, in first unit of our CAD subject, we have discussed about transformations, which means one place to another place, and 2D images to 3D image we can convert into the 2D to 3D, like as transformations. And clippings is the it is like screenshot or like photo. GKS input functions: a set of functionality is defined in category is known as input functions. The devices which are connected in graphic systems are to act an input element such as tablets, mouse, keyboard, and joystick. These are the input devices. The input maybe commands. There are while we giving a commands to the commands, it is called as sorry. input functions, which are some basic input functions which may be given by tablets, mouse, keyboard, and joysticks. Metafile functions, which is used to store the functions in a device. Exchange methods, and I think in the fourth slide we have seen that IGES, STEP, and DXP formats where we have discussed. Actually, the exchange methods are converting files or transforming files from one system to another system. We need some standard methods. Then only it can be accessed by another one system. That methods are called as exchange methods. In that there are some regular uniform formats are there, such as IGES and STEP. DXF methods are there. In that, first one is IGES, Initial Graphics Exchange Specifications, which is developed by NIST, National Institute of Standards for Technology, in 1980, then adopted by the American National Standards Institute in the same year. It exchanged the preliminary shape in both geometric and topological and non-shape data, which is referred as CAD to CAD exchange. This illustration is compiled with the function of IGES method, which means a source system is transferring files to one system to another system. Between one system to another system, there are regulations, there are some formats, that is called IGES method. And native and preprocessor, it convert the for example, if you want to transfer one image one system to another system, means the system 1 convert the image into the image as IGES format, then it will transfer to the second system. Then only second system will understand what is the present in the first system. That system called as IGES method. These are some entities of IGES. First one is angular dimension. These are the basic dimensions used in the basic dimensions can be convert as IGES method. One is angular dimension, diameter dimension, flag note, general label, general note, leader, arrows, accessibility definition, line font definition, macro definition. Like that, we can convert these values can be convert as IGES format, that will contain everything of the basic data of the product in IGES format. That format will transfer one system to another system. These are the basic sections used in IGES setup. One is flag section, start section, global section, dictionary entity section, parameter data section, terminal sections. First section is flag section, which is used only with the compressed and binary format, and it is fixing the 80 characters record length and compressed format. Compressed format contains compressed file by eliminating spaces from the records. While compressing this section is used to compress the data of product in a single file. Then by this we can reduce the space of the file. This is the main function of the flag section. Then the start section. Start section provides a human readable description of file, such as sending system that generated original data, preprocessor, and product being described. And the start section is maybe used to show the which system when which date is the product or design or image is drawn by the handler. It may be included with the section. Global section. Global section, it is included the information telling the preprocessor information needed by the post processor to interrupt the files. some items specified, example, date, time of the file generations. So date and date of file generation and date and time date and time generation of file generation may be included with the diagram and by the format in this section. Then directory entry section, it is a list of all entities together with a certain of their attributes. All product definition data are expressed in as a list of predefined entities. First and 11th field contains entity type number. Second field contains pointer to the parameter data entry for entity in the parameter data section. Next one is the parameter data section. This section contains the actual data defining each entity listed in the dictionary, and parameter data is placed in a free format of column 1 to 64. Column 65 is blanked, left blank. Then column 65 6 to 72 on all the parameter data records contain entity pointer specified in the first record of the entity data entry section. Then terminate data section. Terminate data section contains a single record which specifies the number of records in each 4 preceding sections for checking purpose. Drawing interchange format. This is another one major method. It is like IGS format, the drawing exchange method. We can call it as DXF method. IGS is a one type of method which is used to transforming files from one system to another system. By the same way, DXF is another one setup, another one method which contains the same drawings data. Likewise, we have seen like flag section, start section. Likewise, all the data describe where the image is plotted, what are the dimensions used, what are the materials to be used, where should be followed, where should be use the system. Likewise, all the data of image can be compiled with the one format, that format is DXF format. DXF file consists of 5 sections: header, table, blank, entity, terminate. In IGES method, we have seen that manufacturing data, shaping data, and non-shape data, shape data. Likewise, we have seen that by the same way here, header, table, block, entity, terminates. Likewise, there are some methods. The header describes the AutoCAD drawing environment that existed when with DXF file was created. And then table contains information about types, layers, textiles, and views that have been defined by the drawing. Black entity terminate indicates the end of the file. Limitations of IGES and DXF. There are some regular limitations over IGES and DXF, and files were displayed to exchange the product definition data instead of product data. By product data, we mean the data relevant to entire life cycle of product. Example: design, manufacturing, quality assurance, testing, and support. Another one is a step method. This is another one important method, step method. Step method, we can it is extracted from PDES method, that is a product data exchange standard, using step method. Step is briefed as standard for the exchange of product data. Product model data is a new international standard for representing and exchanging product model information. It supports any industrial applications such as mechanical, electrical, plant design, and architecture and engineering construction. Whatever the softwares used in engineering, all softwares format can be supports by this step method. It includes all 4 types of data which is relevant to the entire life cycle of product: design, analysis, manufacturing, quality and assurance, testing and support, etc. This is the flow chart of step method. In IGES method, we have seen that one diagram actually active preprocessor, source data, and target B, source, target. Likewise, we have seen that. Likewise, here PDS step method is adapted in between. First one is the first source is contains the data of product, discipline of model, and preprocessor. The second is the second box is representing the steps involved in the PDS method, and third representing the output data or go to the handlers. This is the architecture of step method. It contains three layers. One is application layer, logical layer, physical layer. And application layer, there are application based upon the application. The format is format will ensure that ensure the data's method, mechanical, electrical, and AEC, and other applications, and logical method and physical layer method. These are the basic architecture of step, which is contains three layers of step. First one is application layer, consists of information of various applications. It may be electrical, mechanical, whatever the application. And second one, logical layer, it provides the consistent computer independent description of the data product and contained what type of format to be used in exchange format to be used in the product. The third one is the physical layer. It deals with the data structure and format for exchanging the file itself. Standards for the exchange model data. The fundamental differences in IGES and STEP, and the central unit of data exchange in IGES model in the entity. Data is exchanged between system is done in terms of application units. These are the common factors to be considered while transferring image one place to another place. And then calls method, it is another one type of exchange method. Calls, calls, simply named as calls, continuous acquisitions and lifecycle support. It was developed by US Department of Defense. It prescribes the format for storage and exchange the technical data, and it mainly focused on the technical publications, and it includes the standard generalized markup language in important standard developed IBN 1960. And calls is an attempt to integrate text, graphics, and image data into standard document architecture. In previous method we couldn't actually in previous method IGES step or DXF method we couldn't adopt the image dimension, but calls method we can adopt the dimension also. This is the life cycle of calls method. First, these are these type of data which includes the calls method. One is header, image data, document profile, presentation style, document layout, and header recorded data book, source document, text file ID, density, orientation, eraser type, doc class. Likewise, the data of the product is included in the calls method. Why IGES file is not supporting so many things means IGES is the very oldest method used in CAD softwares, but nowadays CAD is very different and enhanced themselves and created more type of versions to use to promote the or to create the images in a simple manner. Therefore it shows some difficult use in now current scenario of softwares. In that, technically there is nothing wrong with using IGES format. However, IGES files tend to be surface models and often get translated with gaps between surfaces, missing faces, and in same instance surfaces with faces in wrong orientation, while there is an IGS standard for solids, it is not often used. So surfaces, while IGS format we can transfer the image. If you use an IGS format to transfer the image between one system to another system, there could be a clarity will miss in that method. That's the main problem of IGS method. And what's the why STEP is better than the IES means, STEP is a newer technology. Actually, as I'm already told you that actually IGES is a very oldest technology format actually used in software. STEP is the another one very newest method which is currently used in all softwares. So it is very simple method actually, like Java in basic C program, C for example Java, C plus C plus C++, now Python. Likewise, IGS is like Java program, but STEP is now Python method format. So these are the steps. These are the standards we have used in the CAT of the CAT. Thank you all for watching this video. If you have any doubts and any queries about the CAT standards, you can call me by personally or my mail ID. My mail ID is again soundarrajan05@gmail.com. And thank you all. Thank you.